Imagine you wake up one morning feeling perfectly fine. You have your chai, argue with your family about remote control, completely normal day. But within 48 hours, you have fever, severe headache, and your brain starts swelling. Sounds like a Bollywood movie, right? Unfortunately, ये मूवी नहीं है. This is निपा वायरस और ये इंडिया में फिर से सर उठा रहा है. तो आज का सीरियस क्वेश्चन है, शुड वी बी वॉरिड? हाँ, थोड़ा तो वॉरिड रहना चाहिए.
What exactly is Nipah virus?
Let us start from the basics. Nipah virus, also known as NIV, is a zoonotic virus. Now, before you Google what zoonotic means, let me explain. Zoonotic simply means कि ये वायरस जानवरों से इंसानों में आता है. बेसिकली जानवरों ने डिसाइड किया, चलो ह्यूमंस को भी गिफ्ट देते हैं. Not a great gift, honestly. The virus was first identified in 1999 in Kampong, Sungai Nipah, a village in Malaysia. That is exactly where it gets its name from. The primary natural host of this virus are fruits bats, specifically the Pteropus species of bats. अब ये बात सुन के आप सोचेंगे मैं तो बैट से दूर रहता हूँ. But here is the scary part. You don't need to directly touch a bat. The virus can spread through contaminated fruits that bats have partially eaten or touched. तो वो आम जो आप खा रहे हो उसके बारे में एक बार जरूर सोचो.
How does it spread in humans?
Now this is the part that makes Nipah truly dangerous. How does it actually spread between humans? Unlike coronavirus, which spread through the air like it owned the place, Nipah spreads through direct contact, specifically through infected persons' body fluids, blood, urine और respiratory secretions. सीधा बात करते हैं, अगर कोई इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन के बहुत क्लोज कांटेक्ट में आए, उन्हें केयर करे बिना प्रोटेक्शन के, तो इन्फेक्शन स्प्रेड हो सकता है. This is why healthcare workers are specifically at risk. They are literally on the front lines. बेचारे डॉक्टर्स और नर्स ऑलरेडी इतना काम करते हैं और ऊपर से ये. But here is something important to understand. The WHO has confirmed that Nipah does not spread as easily as COVID-19. It requires close physical contact. So random public transmission is significantly less likely. फिर भी precaution तो लेना ही पड़ेगा.
What are the symptoms?
Okay, so now the most important question. कैसे पता चलेगा कि निपा है? The symptoms of Nipah virus infection typically appears within 4 to 14 days of exposure. This period is called the incubation period. बेसिकली वायरस अंदर घुस जाता है, घर बनाना शुरू कर देता है चुपचाप बिना बताए. द इनिशियल सिम्टम्स इंक्लूड फीवर, हेडेक, मसल पेन, वॉमिटिंग एंड सोर थ्रोट. अब आप बोलोगे यार ये तो नॉर्मल फ्लू जैसा है, और वही तो प्रॉब्लम है. इनिशियल सिम्टम्स बहुत कॉमन लगता है, बट विद इन 24 to 48 आवर्स थिंग्स एक्सीलरेट रैपिडली. सेवर केसेस लीड्स टू encephalitis, which is inflammation of the brain, disorientation, drowsiness, seizures, and in the most severe cases coma within 24 to 48 hours. The mortality rate of Nipah virus is between 40 to 75% compared to COVID, which had a mortality rate of around 2%. ये सुन के ही डर लग रहा है ना? So should we panic because of Nipah virus? The answer is no. Nipah is definitely a dangerous virus, but outbreaks are usually small and health authorities closely monitor them. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात ये है कि अवेयरनेस ही सबसे बड़ी प्रोटेक्शन है. Avoid contact with sick animals, don't eat fruits that may have been partially eaten by bats, and follow official health guidelines if an outbreak occurs in your area. Remember, fear spreads faster than virus. लेकिन नॉलेज और प्रिकॉशंस हमें सेफ रख सकते हैं. If you found this information useful, share it with your friends and family so more people can stay informed and protected. Stay curious, stay aware, and most importantly, stay safe. See you in the next video.